Ang next
natin.
po natin na sharer, ayan. So ang introduction ko po sa kanya is very personal kasi po kilala ko po siya since 1980s. Yan. So 21 years na po kaming magkaibigan. And of course, he is a very excellent person, napakabait, a very good friend. And since high school, same alma mater po kami, ano? So my background po siya sa broadcasting din. He was a former DJ and a radio station manager way back when. And siya po actually yung first person na nag-introduce sa akin sa ganitong industriya. So there are a few companies na magkasama po kami and laging siya po yung upline ko. So siya yung nagturo sa akin, nag-train po sa akin. And syempre, siya po yung ating first diamond in our team, and siya yung may idea nung pangalan namin sa team na Freedom Champions Global, no? So, ayan. So hindi ko na patatagalin kasi talagang ang hirap pong hagilapin itong taong po ito. And if there's one thing na gusto kong maalala niyo ang taong ito, he is an embodiment of focused, hyper-focused, and discipline. So, eto na po siya, our diamond leader, of course, Champ Ro.
Yan.
Take it away.
Ro ng USA.
Yeah,
Hello.
USA.
Alright.
Do you hear? Yeah, can you hear me loud and clear?
Hi, Champ. Mapo.
Thank you, thank you. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Okay ba?
Yes po.
Okay ba?
Yes.
Yeah. No, actually first time kong mag-join dito sa sa Zoom call ng DMW. I really wanted to join in the past few months, several months. Kaya lang conflict sa schedule ko. Normally, I'm very busy as early as 5 a.m. in the morning until 2 a.m. sa Philippines. So ganun ako ka-busy, okay? Kaya pero there were times na sumilit naman ako sa mga presentations, especially when I was silver, gold, ganyan. Kaya lang like I said, very busy ako sa mga oras na ito. In fact, I just found a good spot to park para at least makapag-share ng aking success stories and live good, okay? So anyway, nasabi na ni Coach Janet yung a few of my backgrounds. Totoo po yan, okay? I used to be a DJ. I work in the broadcast industry, and at the same time, teacher din po ako sa college. So pinagsabay ko yan, okay? And then later on, I was offered a good position sa radio, and then I accepted it. Full-time ako sa radio. And then way back in 1997, I was introduced in network marketing by the name of Coach Manny Tandingan. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin sa network marketing 1997. And of course, I had several misconceptions about network marketing. Ang alam ko, network marketing is for people na walang magawa, for housewives, yung mga walang natapos. And of course, you can relate to what I'm saying, okay? Pero namangha ako dahil yung kinikita ko sa radyo, kinikita ng isang network marketer in 1 week. Okay? In 1 week. Yung iba in 1 month. Okay? Yung iba in 1 day, you know? Kaya sabi ko, I can fast track my financial success in network marketing. Kaya nabago lahat yung perception ko sa network marketing. It opened my eyes on how I can fast track my financial success. Kaya lang in network marketing, dahil health and wellness yung sinalihan ko, hindi lang yung money ang nagbago ng buhay ko. It also opened my eyes on how to make myself healthy. Okay, kaya ngayon healthy pa rin ako, nakabasketball pa rin ako. Marami sa mga contemporaries ko hindi na makapaglaro. Yung iba, sadly, they pass away. So I'm very thankful with this industry. Okay, yung network marketing, because it changed, of course, my financial life and my health. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. And of course, hindi lang health, pati yung attitude ko, yung perspective ko sa buhay. Dito ko nalaman na anything that happens, okay, na natuto sa network marketing, naging tough ako, that anything that happens is just 10%. On how you react to it is the other 90%. Okay? So, paano naman na-introduce sa akin ang Live Good sometime last year, March of 2023? Na-introduce sa akin, na-share sa akin ni Coach Janet. And of course, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready dahil may project akong ginagawa dito, hindi network marketing. May project ako, it consumes a lot of my time, no? Halos wala na akong time na gawin ang network marketing. So I wasn't ready. Kaya lang, syempre very transparent ang Live Good dahil type mo lang, makikita mo lahat, makikita mo yung presyo, makikita mo yung quality ng products, makikita mo yung compensation plan. So very very transparent itong company nito. You don't have to create an account para makita mo lahat 'yan. So Live Good is showing everything to the masses, to the people. Kaya tinignan ko na I was surprised, no? Na-surprise ako dahil akalain mo way back 2018, 2019 gumagamit na ako ng CBD. At ang presyo yan from another company, okay? From another MLM company, yung 750 milligrams nila nasa $80. Ngayon, pag bibilihin ko naman sa store na malapit lang sa akin about 10 minutes, abot ng $50. Kaya lang, nung tinignan ko yung website ng Live Good, yung 750 milligram, at that time, March of 2023, last year, 1995. Nagulat ako kasi I can save a lot of money. Okay, basically I can buy 3 to 4 bottles of Live Good CBD versus buying from the store or from another MLM. So, na-feel ko I'm being ripped off, okay, by these companies. Imagine niyo 1995 ito last year. Ngayon bumaba na. 1495 na lang, di ba? Yung 750 milligram.
Correct.
So, ang mga ibang kumpanya, tumataas, pero tayo, binababa pa ni Ben Glinsky ng ating mga founders. So, it's such an amazing company. Highest quality, lowest price tayo. Okay? So, sabi ko, sige, join na ako. It's a no-brainer, di ba? Join na ako, start na ako sa products because I have to take care of my health. Remember, I have a project na very busy ako, puyat ako palagi. So, the more na kailangan ko ng CBD, 4 bottles, ano? 4 bottles sa $100. So 4 bottles na yan. 5 bottles pa nga, abot pa ng 5 bottles, ano? So nag-join ako because of the products. I was attracted because of the products. Because sabi nga natin, health is our number one wealth. Okay? And then, of course, sabi nga ni Coach Fernan, hindi mo once a networker you are a once a network marketer you are a network marketer. So sabi ko maganda itong product, magandang quality, malamang may magandang negosyo dito. And you know, I'm a Complan guy. Okay, titignan ko lang yung Complan, alam ko na. Okay? So tinignan ko yung pay plan, yung compensation plan, and I was amazed because it was a very very lucrative Complan. Very fair, very lucrative. At of course, gusto ko palagi yung yung fair pay plan. Okay, napaka-fair dahil nakita ko is a matrix, people are placed from top to bottom on a first come first serve basis. Yun, the earlier you take action, the better kasi medyo mataas ang position mo. So it rewards the action takers. Gusto ko yun. And of course, the matching everything, hindi ko na di-discuss dito dahil syempre we will consume a lot of time. So tinignan ko yung pay plan, sabi ko maganda ito. Okay, so gawin ko ng part-time. So I started part-time with a full-time attitude. At alam ko yung significance ng technology na an opportunity could spread very, very quickly. So sabi ko, hindi ako pwedeng maunahan dito, no? Kaya nag-share na rin ako part-time and then with a full-time attitude, I did it. And then may mga nag-join na sa akin. And then March, nag-join ako part-time. Sometime in June, nag-full-time na ako. Okay, kasi nabawasan yung oras ko dun sa project. So nag-full-time na ako and on that month, nakuha ko yung platinum. Okay? I was promoted to platinum June 29 of 2023. And then gusto kong mag-diamond kagad. Of course, sino bang ayaw mag-diamond, di ba? Meron yung diamond pool. Nakikita natin yan. Pinopost yan. So sabi ko, gusto ko yan. Okay? I like that. It can change my life. Okay? So gusto kong mag-diamond kagad the following month. Hindi nangyari. Okay. Siyempre, business realities, may mga challenges, may mga tao na hindi pa ready, kailangan mo pang i-mindset and all that. And I understand all that. That's part of business. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako, hindi na ako nag-quit. I have that no fear mentality, never giving up attitude. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Okay, I was already making good money. Imagine mo, 995 ang overheads ko. In fact, I paid for the whole year. 995 ang overheads mo and you're making this much, okay? So, tinuloy-tuloy ko lang and then September 29, okay, na-hit ko yung diamond position. And thank you, no? Na-hit ko yung diamond position. I was very happy. I celebrated with my family. Tapos, of course, I was very thankful with my team because I couldn't have done it without my team. It's always a team effort, okay? So that's my story in Live Good, okay? Sa ngayon, malaki na yung grupo. We have a big group here in US. We have a big group in Vietnam. And I believe we have the biggest group in Vietnam. I also have a big group in other places like Africa, okay? Europe. Meron din akong India. And it's spreading, okay? It will spread globally. Ganyan naman ang Live Good, okay? We cannot stop it, okay? It may slow down a little bit, but we cannot stop it. So, yeah, that's my story in Live Good. I hope na-inspire kayo. Pero remember, okay, gusto ko rin mag-share ng mga tips sa inyo. Remember the 5 key elements of a good network marketing according to Eric Worre of Network Marketing Pro. At gusto kong, meron akong guide dito, okay? Unang-una, sabi niya, okay, the 5 key elements. Una is product. Okay? Product ang pinaka-importante. Okay? And we're proud to say that we have the best health and wellness. Highest quality nga, lowest price. Saan mo mahahanap yan? Di ba? And it is the backbone of the company. Kaya product pa rin. Okay? Product pa rin ang pinaka-importante. And of course, hindi lang tayo health and wellness. The goal of our founders is to have everything in the coming years. Okay? Everything. Basically, will be the Amazon of network marketing. So, check product. Pangalawa, sabi niya, company. Titignan mo yung tao behind the company. Okay? Titignan mo yung integrity nila, titignan mo yung commitment nila, titignan mo yung experience nila. Okay? And of course, when it comes to experience, ang dami, ang haba, too many years of experience ni Ben Glinsky at Noder Kazan. Pero ang company natin is a combination of network marketer, Ben Glinsky, yung mga founders natin, okay? Ben Glinsky and Noder Kazan. Pero meron din tayong hindi mga network marketers in the persons of Lisa Goodkin, okay, and Ryan Goodkin, okay? Mag-asawa po sila. They're in charge of product formulation and product education. So magandang combo yun. Okay, you have somebody na nakafocus sa product formulation and education, and here are two people that have so many years of experience in network marketing. So company, check. Panlo, compensation plan. Titignan mo rin yan. Dapat it should be an aggressive and lucrative compensation plan. Kaya lang, hindi dapat compensation plan na too good to be true naman na mabankrupt, okay, o mag-overpay out. Tested na ang pay plan natin, okay? Tested na yan. Since the very beginning, Live Good has been paying on time all the time.
Yes.
Okay? It's been paying on time all the time. In fact, okay, ito, this coming Friday, babayaran tayo. Okay? Dapat first day, kaya lang they will run the commissions on the first day. You know? It will take them the whole day. The following day, bayad na tayo. Okay? So it's been paying on time all the time. Okay? So compensation plan, pay plan check. Number 4, support. Support. Pag sinabi mong support, ito yung ginagawa ni Coach Fernan, Coach Fertz, Coach Janet, and all the coaches here, yung mga diamonds, at saka yung mga hindi diamonds, nag-zoom sila consistently. That is support. Yung mga group chats. Pero ang pinaka-the best na support natin is yung mga systems and online tools. Watch out yung ilalabas ng company. Okay? If you've attended the Friday Firestarter call, sabi ni Ben, okay, and I know that because I have IT friends here, okay, in North Texas. Sabi niya yung ilalabas nilang funnel, and sabi niya every product will have its own product page. That is worth several thousands of dollars. At akalain mo, babayaran mo lang yan ng one-time $40 affiliate fee or and 99.95, okay? $99.95 per year or $9.95 per month. Yan lang. So, yun pa lang. That's value. Okay? That's value. You have to open your mind. Okay? Grabe yun. Grabe. Okay? Then of course, sabi niya, timing. Timing tayo, we're the first club membership that pays.
Yeah.
Ang daming gumagaya, pero of course, yung iba, wala na. In fact, nung nag-join ako, gold pa lang ako rito, in-approach na ako ng several network marketers dito sa US at sabi nila, Champ, you move to our company. Okay? Kasi alam nila yung lumalaki yung grupo ko, lalo na sa Vietnam. You move to our company and, okay, ito ba? And you will be the team Miller of our company. Okay,
Yes.
grabe, ano? Grabe. Wala kang babayaran. Sabi nila, wala kang babayaran. Lilibre ka namin, etc., etc. Plus,
Hindi.
may allowance pa. Okay? Pang
Oh.
network. Oh. So imagine that. Pero hindi ako naniwala dahil, syempre, tinignan ko naman yung company nila. Hindi ako naniwala doon. Leadership, everything. Okay? Wala. Hindi tatagal to. Yun nga, I was right. After a few months, hindi na iba na ang pinopromote ng mga nag-approach sa akin. Iba na. Yung iba talagang tumigil na, hindi na nag-promote. Nag-close din. Club membership that pays din sila.
Hinayang
Okay?
pa.
Yeah.
Late.
So, timing. We are the first club membership that pays. Ang daming gagaya. Pero, okay, pero, titignan mo yung how deep is the commitment of the founders, of the owners. Kasi, yung mga company na club membership din na nag-close na, nahirapan sila. At some point, there were like 2-3 months nahirapan sila. Sabi ng owner, sarado na natin, we're losing money. Okay? Hindi ganyan si Ben Glinsky, hindi ganyan ang mga founders natin because this is their baby. Okay? Dapat maintindihan nyo when I say this is their baby. Pag may baby ka, anong gagawin mo doon sa baby mo? You will let it grow and you will let it become so successful into a very successful individual. Okay? So yan, those are the 5 key elements according to Eric Worre. At pinupost ko palagi dyan. In fact, gumawa ko ng poster about that all these 5 key elements, Live Good has it all. Okay? Has it all. And of course, meron din akong personal tip. Okay lang, Coach Fernan?
Yes, of
Tuloy ko
course.
lang. Meron
on.
akong 5 tips on how to become. Okay, tandaan ninyo, no? Remember this, when a new idea or concept is introduced, just like itong club membership that pays, meron tayong stages na dadaanan. Unang-una, people will ignore it. Okay, tandaan nyo yan. Ini-ignore ba tayo? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Secondly, they will laugh at it. Sabi nila, it will not work. But it's working. And then they will fight it. Kaya yung mga traditional MLM companies na apektado, okay, lalo na dito sa US, they're fighting it. They're fighting Live Good. Sabi nila, why are you lowering your price? We're being affected. Why are you selling CBD for $20? Diba? Oh. And we're selling them $80. Okay?
Galing.
Matirang matibay sa negosyo, ganyan talaga, di ba? Okay, so they will fight it, but later on, they will accept it.
Yeah.
Okay? They will accept it. So that's the cycle. They will ignore it, they will laugh at it, they will fight it, but eventually they will accept it. Okay? So ito yung mga personal tips ko on how to make it in Live Good. Of course, gusto nating maging successful, right? Yes or yes, right? Yes, we want to become successful. First tip, kung gusto mo maging successful sa Live Good, number 1, isulat mo ito, forget about spillover.
Tama.
Yan. Forget about spillover. May kasabihan na nababasa natin palagi sa Facebook, social media, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Pag
Tama.
naghihintay ka ng spillover, you're not creating a good future. Yung iba kasi magla-log-in, titignan kung may spillover na. Kung wala pa, ang pangit ng negosyo, ang slow. The business is slow kasi wala pa akong spillover. Okay? You are slow. Sipin mo, look at yourself in the mirror, okay? Don't depend on luck because, spillover is just luck. Okay? Magkano kikitain mo sa spillover? 25 cents or 14 pesos. You have to think bigger than 14 pesos. Okay? Yung spillover, kahit gaano karami yan, it can pay the bills. Money is money, di ba? Kahit maliit yan, it can pay the bills, but it cannot change your life. So number one, forget about spillover. Okay? Forget it. Forget it. Kung meron, meron. Kung wala, wala. Ako noon, sabi ko, ayaw ko ng spillover kasi masisira yung diskarte ko dito sa spillover na ito. Okay? May sumingit. Sabi ko noon, may sumingit. Grabe. Okay? Dapat man, walang sumisingit dyan. Kasi gusto ko maganda yung structure ko. Pero, honestly, wala naman akong spillover. Okay? Yung iba, nasisingitan pero. And number two, focus on building your team. Focus on building. Huwag kang mag-focus sa spillover. Forget it. Pero focus ka sa pag-build ng team. Dahil, magra-rank up ka based on enroller tree. I hope everybody understand what is enroller tree. Yung ni-recruit mo at recruit ng recruit mo. Okay? Diyan i-base yung pag-rank up. And of course, you want to become a diamond. And of course, you've heard Live Good na corporate, they're openly saying that their goal is per diamond. Ano yung diamond pool per diamond, $10,000. That's about 580,000 pesos per month. Okay?
Yeah.
Will that change your life? Yung 580,000, pwede na bang pagtyagaan yan? Pwede nang pagtyagaan. 580,000 can change your life. And the only way you can achieve that is to become a diamond. Yan ang goal nila. Yan ang target nila. Okay? Sabayan mo yan. Dapat sumabay ka dyan. Dapat bago bago umabot dyan, umabot sa 580,000, dapat diamond ka na. At of course, ang pag-rank up sa diamond is based on enroller tree. So that's number two. Okay, focus on building. Number three, value your integrity.
Wow.
Take the higher ground. Of course, aware tayo sa isang company na nagsarado na. Because they're scam, obviously, scam. Okay? Sinend sa akin yung video, yung YouTube. Tinignan ko lang naman. Okay? Kasi gusto kong makita kung ano kasi may mga kakilala ko doon. Yung iba, sabi nila, attorney, umiyak, or nagmamakaawa. Attorney, tulungan nyo kaming ma-recover yung pera namin. Yung iba, nagme-message. Naawa ako. Pero at the same time, sabi ko, that's your fault. Kasalanan nyo yan. Dahil alam nyo, sa totoo lang, itong mga tao na nagmamakaawa, okay, siyempre, pointing finger na yan, Naghahanap kung sinong sisisihin. Nawarningan din ng mga yan. Okay, nawarningan din sila na walang owner. AI generated yung picture. Daming posting. Pero yung iba nagko-comment, wala na kaming pakialam kung scam ito. Basta ang importante, kumikita kami. Ang importante, kumikita kami. Diba? And then ngayon, nagmamakaawa. Okay? Kasi malaki daw yung kinita pero binalik apply nito, okay? At hindi na naka-withdraw. Tapos yung isa naman, sabi niya, marami din akong tinulungan. Paano ako ma-recover ito? So, they're blaming each other na. Pero tandahan ninyo, kahit nangyari pa yan, meron pa rin hindi matututo because may kasabihan na, unfortunately, common sense is very uncommon. Okay? Common sense is very uncommon. Okay? And, in life, dapat ma-hurt ka rin eh. Kailangan may experience kang matinding loss para magising ka. Diba? But remember, ito yung mga scams. So, value your integrity. Yan ang number one. Okay? Take the higher ground. But remember, kahit legit na company ngayon, nagsasara. Diba nasabi ko sa inyo na yung mga companies na nag-iinganyo sa akin na sumali, that I will be the team miller of their company, nasaan na sila? Wala. Nagsarado na rin. So be careful. Be careful. Okay? Be careful of those so-called shiny objects. Okay, sabi nga ni Coach Fernan kanina, ginawa lang yung matrix na $1. O yan, lumipat na, di ba? Pero maraming aspects na i-consider ka bago mag-decide. Okay? You have to do your own due diligence. Okay? And the good thing about, sandali lang ha, okay, nag-alarm. The good thing about Live Good is this is designed long term. Okay? I-design yung pay plan na hindi siya mag-overpay out. Kaya 25 cents, but imagine 25 cents make a lot of sense. Okay? Imagine mo, 25 cents kahit doon sa mga hindi mo ni-recruit kahit spillover, right? So that's number 3, value your integrity. Number 4, stay productive. Kung may job kayo, don't quit right away. Okay? Don't quit right away. Ang rule ng iba, pag na 3 times na nila yung income nila sa trabaho, doon sila nagko-quit. And of course, you know yourself. You know your capability. Kung kailan ka mag-quit. Kung meron kang traditional business, okay? Tuloy mo pa rin yan hanggat kumikita ka. Okay? Ngayon, kung you reach a certain point na talagang maganda ng kita mo, maganda, stable ng network mo, at of course, yung network mo nagde-demand na ng maraming time, okay? That's the time to say goodbye to those other things that you are doing. Okay? And of course, do one network marketing, live good. Okay? You cannot chase 2 rabbits at the same time. You cannot serve 2 masters at the same time. Okay? So stay productive. And number 5, embrace, live good, and make it work for you. Embrace mo, live good. Embrace mo yung may subscription. Huwag mong sasabihin na, oh, subscription na naman. Hindi, embrace it and make it work for you. Work as if everything depends on you, and pray as if everything depends on God. Okay? So those are my 5 tips. Alam nyo, tinanong ako, what's my take on Live Good? Sabi ko, Live Good is the opportunity that makes sense because it pays its affiliates generously without hurting its consumers.
Galing.
Okay? Oh, imagine mo, di ba? Hindi natin kailangan itaas yung presyo para lumaki yung kita natin. Okay? Because our income is not based on the price of the products. Okay? Live Good is changing the whole industry. It's fixing a broken industry. Okay? We're here. I'm here long term for the longest time. Kaya sabi ni Coach Janet, when it comes to focus, I really focus. In my previous companies, I was the last person to leave the company. Talagang sinigurado ko na wala na ba talaga, di ba? Wala na ba yung company? Wala na. Umalis na kami 1 month, 2 months ago. So, sabi ko, it's time to leave. So, I'm Mr. Focus. But I believe that Live Good is here to stay for many, many long years. We are building, tandaan ninyo, we're building a huge retirement income. A retirement income that you can pass on to your loved ones. Grabe, no? You're shooting 2 birds with 1 stone. Kaya this is all I can say. I'm humbled and honored for giving me this opportunity to share. Thank you, Coach Fernan. Thank you, Coach Ferds, Coach Janet, and all the coaches, all the diamonds. And thank you sa inyong lahat. And I'm also inspired by a lot of stories, lalo na yung mga alam nyo, kahit busy ako, may nanonood din ako ng videos about Live Good testimonies. And of course, isa sa mga inspiring stories is our top earner, Tim Miller. Okay? I've seen him personally. He's on a wheelchair, pero ang laki ng kinikita, ang laki ng pinagbago. Okay? And hindi lang siya, marami pa. Okay? Marami pang success stories, very, very inspiring stories. So, thank you, DMW. Thank you, Achievers, led by Coach Harold. Coach Harold, salamat sa iyong mga inspiring vlogs, okay? Mga stories. Your story is also very, very inspiring. And thank you, of course. Thank you sa aking team na Freedom Champions. Thank you, Coach Janet, for being persistent, makulit, okay? She never gave up, okay? Thank you for this opportunity. Okay? Thank you for Live Good. Thank you. God bless everyone. Thank you. I hope naka-inspire ako sa inyo. Till next time. Till next time.
Diamond Champ! Wow!
Thank you.
Grabe. Woo! Clap, clap, clap! Wala ng no? Pasasalamat dito kanina pa, oh. Grabe.
Coach, alis na ako. Okay?
Yes, po.
Thank you. I-off ko na. I have to sign out dahil alam niyo na may appointment pa ako. God bless, ha? Take care. Take
Thanks
care.
a lot.
Coach Sam.
Ingat. See you
Thank you.
soon.
Thank you.
Yes, God bless. Grabe naman, champ roll, no? Ayan, no? Kung dinala nyo lang yung tao nyo rito, napagpala sana. Di ba? Nabusog sana. Oh, bless yung mga upline na dinala ang kanilang team dito. Di ba?
Yeah.
Coach Janet, no?
Yes.
Very timely yung mga message niya, no? Of course, yung simula, basic na basic yun, di ba? Pero napakahalaga sa mga tao na hindi marunong mag-check ng isang kumpanya na sasalihan nila. Di ba? So, nagbigay siya ng tips doon. And yung ano, no? Very timely talaga yung integrity, no? Nabanggit niya yun. Napakahalaga talaga nun eh. Hindi po pwede na isasantabi natin yun eh. Kasama yun sa mga decision making na gagawin natin, no? Laging ang integrity nakataya. Di ba? Pwedeng tumama ka sa desisyon na yan, pwedeng magkamali ka. Pag nagkamali ka, sa pulang integrity mo dyan. Pero pag tumama ka, marami kang mabe-bless na tao. Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Brother James Sareno na ano yun, Coach Bert? You can make or break, di ba?
Okay. Mm.
Ganun yun eh. Okay, coaches, anong masasabi nyo sa ano, no? Ano, gusto nyo pa bang hintay ng spillover? Stop waiting for spillover. Ako, minsan di sumagi sa isip ko yan eh. Mahal na mahal ko, apply ko, Coach Jesse Garcia. Never ko yung hinanapan ng spillover. Apply, nasa na spillover ko. Ba't ako hihingi ng spillover? Alam ko yung negosyo ko.